Ho, ho, ho!
Welcome to Cooking with Claus. Today we have a fun activity I think you're really going to enjoy. We're going to be making Christmas toast. So the first thing I'm going to want you to do, grab some bread, stick it in your toaster because we want it to be cooled before we get started with the actual craft. So here we go. Okay, once you have your toast ready, you're going to want to get all of your supplies ready. So get some fun sprinkles, get your favorite jam, jelly, whatever, food coloring, get some pre-bought frosting, although you can make your own. You've already got your bread done, and then you're going to want to have a few bowls, some spoons, a knife. Okay, so let's get started. Take your vanilla frosting, and you're going to add a little bit, it doesn't have to be a lot, just a scoop, into your first bowl, maybe a couple scoops. And then we're going to do the same thing with our second bowl. We're going to add a couple scoops in there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add one drop of food coloring into each one. Now I chose red and green because that's quite festive. So just a drop of red in there, come on. There we go. And then we're going to add our green. Okay, I love green. Green is so fun. Okay, once you've got your frosting in there or your food coloring in there, we're going to mix it up. We're going to mix it into our frosting. Look how pretty that looks. Doesn't that look like a candy cane? I love it. I'm not sure 100%, but I almost think that Santa's favorite color is red. So if you ever see him, you're going to have to ask him that. Okay, let's get our green stirred up. Stirred up good, nice and pretty, and then we have red and green. Look how pretty that looks. Okay, on your toast, I'm going to set these aside. We're going to go to our toast now, and you're going to grab your favorite jam, and you're just going to spread it across your toast. Okay? Doesn't have to be perfect. All right. Couple slices here. All right, now, next step, we're going to just do one dollop of food coloring on each one. And you can just do it just like that. And then we're going to do a dollop of red on this side. Okay, and I'm going to leave a little white in there because I want mine to kind of look a little bit like a candy cane. What do you think? Aren't these awesome? And then a little bit of green. And then we're going to add some more green on this side, just like this. Okay, now here is our fun part. Take that knife that you just used, kind of wipe it clean, and take your strawberry toast or your Christmas toast. You're going to just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Clean it up a little bit, wipe off the edges, and there's your first one. We're going to do the same thing on our second one here. We're going to go back and forth till we get that. Oh, this is, look at this. This one looks tie-dye. I love it. Okay, wipe that. And then you know what? We're going to get our sprinkles out. Now, I don't know about you, but I really love colorful sprinkles. I'm just going to put a few sprinkles like that. Wow. There you have it. Christmas toast. Make sure you like and subscribe this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends.
Ho, ho, ho!